So much for our balmy West Coast Vancouver weather. We've had snow now for like what seemingly seems like weeks, but
yeah, I know, like so much for escaping the polar vortex.
we made it. I think it took us like over an hour to get here.
It's like there's a little bit of snow that hits the streets and just people go berserk.
So normally it would take me maybe 15 minutes to get down to Costco from home. It took us about an hour today.
Oh, back here again. Woo-hoo. The pigeons know what's up. Hot dog.
You know, they have all these like, you know, quickly things to stop pigeons from landing, but it doesn't stop pigeons from coming in here.
Well, they're just scrounging for food on the ground. Come out and have a hot dog, she says. Oh, it's gonna be a quick there and back, she says. Yeah.
That was the idea.
3 hours later.
Hasn't been 3 hours yet. It has been over an hour though.
Whoa. See that steam, guys?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's gonna burn my tongue, but it's somehow calling to me to put it in your mouth.
That would make a great
And
picture.
burn your tongue. Go. Whoa. What are the lineups? Okay, this was supposed to be like a really quick run to Costco.
These are already things that are not on my list.
Okay, what do we got here?
We have a birthday present,
Yeah.
which is kind of cool actually, making crystal jewelry.
Okay.
And well, you asked for these. This was not on my list.
Because it's
sale.
one of the weekly sales.
Macadamia nuts.
Yeah.
Some math books because kids need some help in math.
Yeah.
And this craft bin.
And
Not for me.
confession
for-
time, I missed a sale on that craft project box, toolbox. It was on sale for like almost $10 less and I missed it. So how much are we gonna spend today? Estimate. Hey guys, what do you think we're gonna spend? What's your prediction? Guys, comment below. Beef short ribs. Nice, but chipotle maple flavored? What kind of...
Well, I don't understand why they don't just sell them non-marinated. They only sell this one marinated.
That's a really good question.
I want to know.
Hey, fancy seeing you here.
I'm finally working on the list.
What have we been working on this whole time?
Apparently things that are not on the list.
Oh man.
Look at how expensive the price is now.
What was it before?
Not $19.99.
It was cheaper before?
I remember when it was $11.99. That's when we used to buy it a lot. But then it went up to like $16.99 and we stopped buying it here. Now it's $19.99 for the same amount.
See, you got the requisite 5 pounds of butter.
Yeah, and I'm looking at these tortillas because we love these tortillas, but now I'm looking at the expiry date. It says February 28th.
It's like the 22nd today, guys.
I know. There's been like a lot of stuff at Costco today that is almost at the expiry date. So it's really worthwhile to check the expiry date. I'm not buying it because it's going to expire in 2 days.
Lady, what's the prediction on the damage today?
Oh. But I have a kind of an advantage. I kind of know how much everything costs. So I'm still going to say about $200.
Oh, just a few things, she says. Okay, I think this lens is kind of tight, so our heads are probably going to be like giant, fill up the frame. Anyways, I'm really tired. Oh, you know what it's food coma from hot dog and fries. You were wrong. You know, actually.
Wrong.
All right, what was the pre-tax?
223.62.
Okay, you're pretty close.
Yeah, but I still couldn't tap.
Yeah, that means, was that your indicator for like you didn't spend as much?
Yeah, when I can tap, it's like awesome. It's like less than 200 bucks. Oh my goodness. Blue skies and sunny out now. Craziness.
Dude, that was kind of like dodgy, eh? Did you get the goods?
He's getting it from the back room. Ta-da!
Alright, let's get out of here quick.
Let's go.
An hour and a half, she says. We'll be there and back in no time, she says. Gold medal. Number one. Was it worth it?
Yeah, this is their most expensive rice too.
Okay, it's like just like the top shelf rice.
Yeah, if you remember the sign that was posted with all the different prices of the rice, this is the most expensive one. And it's $35.99 for 40 pounds. And if you remember correctly, the Costco one was $19.99 for 8 kilos. I know pounds, kilos. Also, Rice World is only a 3-minute drive away from Costco. So it was totally worth just going that 3 minutes out of the way to pick up the rice, and I'll do the calculation for you. So at Costco, right, it was $19.99 for 8 kilos. It gives you, we'll say $2.50 per kilo. At Rice World, this was $35.99, and it's 40 pounds, which is 18.14 kilos. It is $1.98 per kilo. That's 52 cents per kilo we're talking about of savings.
Sounds worth it to me.
I think so.
A whole 3 minutes from Costco to Chinatown, Rice World. And you get to see Rice World in all its OG glory.
Yeah, otherwise you wouldn't be able to experience all the dodginess that is Rice World in Chinatown.
Right? It's like, psst, I want the rice.
But they have the best price on rice. What are you going to do?
You made a rhyme.
You're going to drive the extra 3 minutes
Yeah.
for the best price on rice.
It's a tongue twister.
All right. All right, guys, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my cookbook down here and the other videos we have as well. Till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.